Good morning, dear students. My name is Ferhan Mazher, and today is 15th of May 2022. Right now, I am with the 11 Cambridge class, and the subject we are studying is DMAS 4024. Right now, we have selected a paper 1 to solve, and we have selected October, November 2017 and DMAS 4024 1-2 paper. This paper 1 belongs from the zone 2 or the variant 2. In this video, we will be solving the first 15 questions. We'll try to solve the first 15 questions of this paper, and the rest of the paper we will solve in another video. So let's start today's paper, October, November 2000. Okay, so here comes the question paper. Okay, so the paper we are going to solve today is October, November 2017 1-2 paper. The time allowed is 2 hours. And here comes the first question. The first question showing up on your screen is 6 by 7 minus 3 by 5. So we have to subtract two fractions. Whenever you want to subtract two fractions, you always take their LCM. So, and here we go. So if you want to find out the solution, the LCM of 7 and 5 will be 35. So 7 divided by 35, 5 will multiply with the numerator 6. And 35 divided by 5, it will be 7. 7 will multiply with the 3, which is the numerator in that fraction. So 6 into 5 is 30, minus 3 into 7 is 21. 30 minus 21 is 9. So 9 by 35 is the answer. That is question number 1. It's A part, and let me show you the solution. 9 by 35 is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are going to the B part. In the B part, he says, evaluate 90 by 0.45. If you want to evaluate 90 by 0.45, you will remove the decimal of the 0.45. So you will have 90 multiply 100 divided by 45. Very simple and straightforward question. So you will have 90 divided by 45 by 100. When you convert that divide sign into multiply sign, the fraction after the division sign, it will flip, it will reciprocate. So what will happen? You will have 90 multiply 100 divided by 45. 45 ones are 45, 45 twos are 90, and 2 multiply 100 will be 200. So our answer is 200. That answer is right. Okay. So now the next question coming up on your screen, he says the masses in kilograms of 20 parcels sent by a dispatch center are given in the table. Okay, so the masses of 20 parcels are given here. By using the tally marks or otherwise complete the group frequency distribution for these masses. Okay, so this is 3 to 5, and this is up to 5.5. This is from 5.5 to 7.5, 7.5 to 9.5. So for example, 4.2 will be here. You put a tally here. Then 8.4 will be here. Put a tally here. Then 5.3 will be here. So in this way, you will put the tallies. So let me show you my. So I have put the tallies here. So you can see there are 7 tallies in the first group, 8 tallies in the second group, and 5 tallies in the next group. So let me show you the marking scheme. 5, 8, and 5, 8, 7, 8, and 5, 7, 8, and 5. So the frequency of each class is given to us. That these results are to be shown in a pie chart, and he says these results are to be shown in a pie chart. Calculate the angle of the sector representing the group with the smallest frequency. Okay, so the smallest frequency is 5 here. If you want to represent this information in the form of a pie chart, the angle of the pie chart can be the frequency of this group divided by the total frequency, which is 20, and multiplied 360. So we will have 5 divided by 20 multiplied 360. 0 will be cancelled. 2 ones are 2 18s are, and 5 18s are 90. So 90 is the answer, 90 degrees. So our answers are right. He says, okay, we are going to the next question. The next question is question number 3. He says y is inversely proportional to x. Given that y is equals to 1 by 6 when x is equals to 30, find the y when the x is 10. Okay, so because they are inversely proportional, so it will be 1 by, uh, so y proportional to 1 by x. This happened because of inversely. So y is equals to, remove this proportional sign, put an equal sign there. So y is equals to k by x. So 1 by 6 is equals to k by 30. So k is equals to 1 by 6 multiplied 30. So k will be equals to 5. So now the formula will become y equals to 5 by x. Then their question is find the value of the y when the x is 10. So y is equals to 5. In the place of x, put 10. So 5 by 10. So y will be equals to 1 by 2. The value of the y is 1 by 2. Question number 3, 1 by 2 is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are going to, that was a 2-mark question. We are going to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is the question number 4. He says f of x is equals to x by 4. Find f of 1 by 2. It's a very simple and straightforward question. In the formula, wherever is the x, you have to substitute 1 by 2 in the place of x. So let me show you, and here we go. So f of 1 by 2 will be, f of 1 by 2 is equals to 1 by 2 and divided by 4. 1 by 2, you convert that, divide into multiply, it will become 1 by 4. So 1 by 8 is the answer. Question number 4, A part, 1 by 8 is the answer. So our answer is right. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is find the inverse of this function. The inverse of this formula. So we will suppose that let f of x is equals to y. So that means x is equals to f inverse of y. In the place of f of x equals to y, put the formula of the, and the formula is x by 4. So x by 4 is equals to y. You will make the x subject of the formula. So x will be equals to 4y. In the place of x, I can write f inverse of y equals to 4y. I will change the variable. So f inverse of x will be equals to 4x. So the formula of f inverse x will be equals to 4x. So that is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are going to the next question. In the next question, a timetable for buses from A to E calling at B, C, and D is given below. So from the bus station A, the buses are leaving after every 30 minutes. For example, from the bus station A at 8:12, the bus starts, then 8:42, another bus starts. And then again, after 30 minutes, another bus stops. The last bus leaving the station A will be 17:12. The bus from the station B leaves at 8:33. Then the next bus leaves the station B at 9:03. So after every 30 minutes, the buses are leaving these terminals, the A, B, C, D, and E terminal. How many minutes does each journey from A to E takes? For example, this first bus starts from A at 8:12 and it reaches the it arrives in the E at 9:20. So you can subtract these 2 times and you will be able to find out how many minutes it takes. So for example, at 9:20 subtract 8:12. So it will be from 20, if you subtract 12, it will be 8 minutes. From 9 hours, if you subtract 8 hours, you will be 1 hour. So 1 hour means 60 minutes and 8 minutes you add it. So you got 68 minutes. So the time taken will be 68 minutes. So 5A part, 68 minutes is the answer. Then their question is, Sharoon has an appointment at the D at 3:30 p.m. What is the latest time she can catch a bus from the B? Okay, so she wants to be at the D at before 3:30. She wants to be at the 3:30. So she must leave the bus station B 30 minutes before it. So 3 o'clock, 3 p.m., 3 p.m., 3 p.m. So there is any bus which starts at 3 p.m. Okay, so we have to write down the schedule of that bus. So this is the schedule of the bus B, which starts at 8:33. The first bus leaves at 8:33, and after 30 minutes, the last bus is at 17:33. So it will be at 3:03, and it will be at 2:33 and 2:03. So this is the schedule of the bus B. It starts at 8:33, and then after every 30 minutes, the bus leaves the station B. And she has to be at the D at 3:30. So how much time it will take? So first of all, how much is the time taken from B to D? From B to D, how much is the time taken? It is 9:05 minus 8:33. So you require 32 minutes. So 32 minutes from 3:30. 32 minutes is the journey time. Okay. So before 3:30 minus 32 minutes, it will be 2:58. So she has to catch a bus which leaves the station B 2:58 at 2:58 p.m. Okay, the buses from B are leaving at 2:33, at 3:03, or it starts at 02:03. So the best bus available will be this one. If he catches this bus, he will not be late. So 2:33. So try to understand once again what I'm saying. So from B to D, this is the journey time. It takes 32 minutes. And he has to be at the D at 3:30 p.m. So he has to start the journey from the B at least 32 minutes before. So it means at 2:58. So he has to catch any bus which starts before 2:58. And this is the schedule of the buses, bus B, or the station B. So the best bus will be this one, 2:33 p.m. A little tricky question. 2:33 bus. Yeah, 2:33 p.m. Okay. So now the next question, the diagram shows a scale from 3.8 to 3.9 divided into 5 equal parts. What is the value at the mark labeled? Okay, so this will be 3.82, this will be 3.84, this will be 3.86, this will be 3.88, and this will be 3.9. So this value is 3.4. So we will write here 3. So this value will be 3.84. 3.84 is the right answer, sir. 3.84 is the right answer. Okay. So the next question, he says the point XY lies on the line AB such that the AX is 3, XY is 2, and the YB is 4. So this total thing, the total thing is 6 and 3, 9. So total there are 9 parts. So his case A to B is 18 centimeter from XY. Find the XY. Very simple. X to Y is 2, and the total is 9. The sum of the ratio is 9. So 3 XY will be 2 divided by 9 multiply, and the total AB actual length is 18. So this is how you will find the XY. A very good question on the ratio. So XY, the XY in the ratio is 2, and the sum of the ratio is 9. The sum of the ratio is 9. This number 10, that's a mistake. This is not 10. It is 9 basically. So 2 by 9 multiply 18. So it will be 2 ones, 9 ones are 9 eights are 9 twos are 18. To 2 multiply 4 centimeters. So 4 is the answer. So note down that this is not 10. It is 9. 2 by 9. Okay, some mistake. Okay, so 2 by 9 at 4 is the answer. So is the 4 answer? Yeah, 4 is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is from the angle properties of the parallel lines. He says in the diagram, the ABC is parallel to the DEFG, where BC and the BE, they are equal to each other. If BC and the BE are equal, then the triangle BEC will be isotriangle. And you can see here the marks are also they have put there. So if this is 35, this one will be also, the BEC angle will be also 35 because it's an isotriangle and these two will be the base angles. The first question is find the CBF. The CBF, you see this line and this line, they are parallel to each other. This is the transverse line. So this angle here is 102, the BFG is 102, and this angle is their question. So if you want to find out the CBF, it's a allied angle to BFG, and there's, you know, the allied angles, they are supplementary to each other. So we can find the CBF, and let me show you. So the CBF will be equals to, 180 minus 102. So that will be 78. So 7a part 78 will be the answer. So 78 is the answer, sir. Okay. The next question is find ABE. ABE, they want to find out the AB. The next question is ABE. ABE is the question. Try to understand the strategy. This is 35. This angle is 35. So in this isotriangle, I can find this vertical angle. 180 minus 35 minus 35, I will get this angle. And this is a straight line. If I know this angle, I can find this one, 180 minus that EBC angle. So very easily I can solve this, and let me show you. So EBC angle will be equals to 180 minus 35 plus 35, that will be 70. So 180 minus 70, that will be 110. And ABE will be equals to, because it's a straight line. So if know that this that is sum of adjacent angles on a straight line is 180. So you will have 180 minus EBC, and the ABE angle will be equals to 180 minus 110, and that will be 70. So the angle ABE is 70 degree. So let's check. ABE is 70 degree. Our answer is right. Okay, so we are going to the next question. Here we have, it says the 30 students were asked on how many days they ate pasta last week. The results are given in the table. So 0 days, 9 people, 1 day, 6 people said there's 2 days they ate pasta. 7 people, 3 days, 4 people, 4 days there are 2 people, and 5 days there are 2 people. Find the mod. Mod is that x value whose frequency is highest. So the highest frequency is here, 9. So its x value is 0. So the mod will be 0. Mod is that x value whose frequency is the highest. So the mod will be 0. So let's check A part. The 0 is the right answer, sir. Okay. Then they found out they want you to find out the median. For median, first of all, I will try to find out. Here we go. So if you want to find out the median, first of all, you have to find out the cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency, you add up the frequencies. The first frequency is written as it is. For example, 9 here. Then you add the next one, 15. Next one is added into 15, 22. 4 is added in 22, that's 26. 2 is added, 28. And 2 is again added, that's 30. So this number, because it is even number, so the median will be n by 2, comma n plus 2. So n is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. 15 plus 2 divided by 2, that's 32 by 2, and that will be 16. So 15th and the 16th number, they are okay. So 15th and the 16th number. Here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And in this class, we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 15 on the 15th number will be 1. And the 16th number will be in this class. So here the 16th number will be here. It is 2. So the median will be the average of these two numbers. It will be 1 plus 2 divided by 2, and it will be 3 by 2, and will be 1.5. So the median will be 1.5. Let's check. The median is 1.5, sir. Our answers are right. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question, the area of a rectangle is given as 8 centimeter square, correct to the nearest centimeter. Nearest centimeter square means 1 centimeter square. You divide it with the 2, you get 0.5 centimeter square. If you will add 0.5 into 8, you will get the upper bound, 8.5 centimeter square. If you will subtract the 0.5 centimeter square from 8 centimeter square, you will get the lower bound of the area, that will be 7.5 centimeter square. He says write down the lower bound for the area of the rectangle. So let me show you. Here we go. So because this is correct to 1 centimeter square, so I will divide 1 centimeter square with the 2, that's 0.5 centimeter square. So from the main measurement, I will subtract the 0.5 centimeter square. You will get 8 minus 0.5, that will be 7.5 centimeter square. So the lower bound of the area will be 7.5 centimeter square. Then let's check first the answers. 7.5 centimeter square is the right answer, sir. Then their question is the width of the rectangle is given as 9 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. Calculate the lower bound for the length of the rectangle. First of all, the width is given, that is 2 centimeter, correct to the nearest centimeter. So nearest centimeter means 1 centimeter. So divide 1 centimeter with the 2, you will get 0.5 centimeter. You will add into 2 to get 2.5 centimeter is the upper bound of the width. And when you subtract 0.5 centimeter from 2 centimeter, you get 1.5 centimeter, which will be the lower bound of the width of the rectangle. They want you to find out calculate the lower bound of the length of the rectangle. The length of the rectangle, the area is given. Area is equals to length multiplied width. So the length is equals to area divided by width. Because you want the lower bound of the length, so we will take the lower bound of the area and we will take the upper bound of the width. Because the length is area divided by width and we want the lower answer. So the numerator must be lowest and the denominator must be highest. So that is the strategy. So here we go. Area is equals to length multiply width. The width is its upper bound is 2.5 centimeter, lower bound is 1.5 centimeter. The length will be area divided by width. And so we will, because you want the lower bound of the length, so the area's lower bound will be used and the width's upper bound will be used. So the area will be 7.5 centimeters square and the width will be 2.5 centimeter. When you divide them, remove the decimals, you will have 75 divided by 10, 75 by 10 divided 25 divided by 10. So you will have 75 divided by 10 multiplied 10 by 25. I have removed the decimals of these two numbers. So you will have at then 3 centimeters. So the length is 3 centimeters. So let's check. The length is 3 centimeters. Right answer, sir. We are going to the next question. The next question is question number 2. It's a 2 marks question, and what they want is by making suitable approximations, calculate an estimate for 40.32 multiply 35.7 under root multiply 2980. So show clearly the approximations you use and give your answer correct to one significant figure. So I will write them. 40.32 is 40, 35.7 is 36, 29800 is 3000, and we will do the calculation. So here we go. So 40 multiply square root of the 36 divided by 3000, and 40 multiply 6 divided by 3000, 00 cancel. So you will have 24 divided by 300. So we can cancel with the, you can cancel with the 3. So it will be 8 by 100 and that will be 0.08. You don't have to divide. If you cut it with the 3, 8 divided by 100. So move the decimal 2 steps to the left and it will be 0.08. So its answer approximately 0.08. 0.08 is the right answer, sir. That was question number 10. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question is, he says the mean age of Ali, Ben, and Chris is 14 years, 3 months, and Dai's age is 15 years and 3 months, and calculate the mean age of the 4 people. Okay, the mean of these 3 is given. So from here, I can find the sum of the 3, and then I can add the 4th one in that sum. And whatever the sum I will get, I will divide it with the 4. It's a 2 marks question, and it's a little tricky question. So here you go. So these had 14 years and 3 months. 14 years, 3 months means 171. 171 is the average a month. So what I will do, Ali plus Ben plus Chris divided by 3 is equals to 171. 171 is what? It is months actually. 14 years, 3 months is equals to 14 multiply 12 plus 3. So 171 and multiply 3, and that will be 513 months. So now the mean age of the 4 students, and 4 students will be the mean age of the 4 people. You add the age of the sum of these 3 and this the 4th boy. So you have 513 plus 183. His age is 183. Why 183? Because it is 15 years, 3 months. That means 15 multiplied 12 plus the 3. So it is 183 months. So plus 513 months divided by 4, because there are 4 people. So 696 divided by 4 equals to 174 months. So I will convert it into 174 divided by 12. So you will have 14 years and 6 months. So 14 years, if you divide 174 with the 12, you will get 14 years and 6 months. So the average age is 14 years and the 6 months. Let me reduce the size so you can see the whole question. Hopefully you can see it. 14 years, 6 months is the answer, sir. Okay, so the next question coming up on your screen is find a raised to power x is equals to 5. So they want you to find out a raised to power 2x. So if a raised to power x is equals to 5, if a raised to power, if a raised to power x is equals to 5, take square on both the sides, you will have a raised to power x is square and 5 square. So you will have a raised to power 2x equals to 5 square, which means 25. So 25 is the answer. Then their question is, what is the value of the a raised to power minus x? A raised to power minus x, because the power is negative, so I will reciprocate it. So you will have 1 by a raised to power x equals to 1 by a raised to power x means 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. So the answer is 1 by 5. 25 and 1 by 5 is the answer. 25 and 1 by 5 is the right answer, sir. Okay, so we are going to the next question. In the next question, we have here the distribution of the length of time spent on the internet on a Monday and by each member of a group of students is given in the table. So the histogram from 10 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 80, K people, 50 people, 30 people, 30 people. So the histogram represents some of this information. The first question is find the K. Because the K is the frequency here, you can find the area. You can find the area of this histogram, and the area of this histogram will be equal to the frequency of this class. So length into width, it is 20. The length is 20. The width is 2. So 20 multiplied 2, that will be 40. So the value of the K will be 40. Let me show you the written solution also. Frequency density is equals to frequency divided by class width. The frequency density is for this class is 2, and the class width is 20. So the frequency will be K. So the K will be equal to 2 into 20, and that will be 40. So hopefully you understand. Okay. Then you want to complete this histogram. The histogram for the first 2 classes is already there. So for the second, third, and the fourth class, the class width here is 10. The class width here is 30. The formula for the frequency density is frequency of this class divided by the class width. So here you can see in the B part, I have found the frequency density 30 divided by 10. So that's 3, frequency density 30 divided by 30, and that is 1. So I will make from 40 to 50, from 40 to 50, the frequency density is 3. So this will be histogram. From 50 to 80, the frequency density is 1. So this will be its histogram. So this is how you draw the histogram with the help of the frequency density. So let me show you the whole question so you can see the whole question together. Okay. Okay, so we are going to the next question. The next question coming up on your screen is question number 14 here. He says x by 3 minus 1 less than 3x by 4. So we have to solve this inequality and find the two solutions, okay, which are negative integers. Okay, so we are looking for negative integers. Okay, so here in the left side we have taken the LCM, so you will have x minus 3 divided by 3 less than 3x by 4. I will take this 3 to this side, this 4 will come multiply this side. So you will have 4x minus 12 less than 9x. So take this 4x to the other side. So you will have minus 12 less than 9x minus 4x. So minus 12 is less than 5x. Minus 12 divided by 5 is less than x. So, and it means x is greater than minus 12 by 5, which is minus 2.4. So greater than minus 2.4, x is greater than minus 2.4. So I have written here, shown here the number line. So this is minus 2.4 and the x value is greater than this. So in this will continue. The solution is very long, but we are looking for the integers which are negative. So in this solution, the negative integers will be minus 2 and minus 1. Minus 2 and minus 1. Let's check the marking scheme. Yeah, minus 2 and minus 1 is the right answer, sir. Okay, so here we have a diagram. The diagram shows a figure made from 5 identical triangles. The figure has a rotational symmetry, and write down the order of rotational symmetry. This figure will 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This figure will fit on itself 5 times. So its rotational symmetry is 5. Okay, the next question they are asking is, each marked angle is 110 degree. Find the angle of one of the find the angles of one of the triangles. Okay, so these triangles here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 360 has been divided into 5 angles. So 360 divided by 5, that will be 72. So this angle here is 72. This angle is 72, 72, 72, 72. This angle is 110. So I can find this angle. This is 72. This angle will be 70. So if I know this 72, this is 70. This angle is 110. So this angle will be 70. This is 72. So from 180 subtract 70 and 72. So the first angle, it will be 180 minus 110, that's 70. Then you have 360 divided by 5, 72. At the center, each triangle subtracts 72 degree. So from 180 subtract 72 and 70. So you will have 180 minus 142, and that will be 38. So the 3 angles in that triangle are 70, 72, and 38. 70, 72, and 38. Okay, so my dear students, we have completed this task today. And in this video, in this session, we have solved October, November 2017 1-2 paper. We started from the question number 1 and we have completed up to question number 15. So I hope this video will help you. This video will help you to solve this paper and understand some concepts. If you think this video is helpful, informative, and it's it's helping you to do this paper at your home, please subscribe my channel. Also like this video, share the link of this video onto your Facebook account, onto your Instagram account, and onto your Twitter accounts. And it's very important that share the link of this video with your junior students, because if you are in 11 Cambridge in few days, tomorrow we have the paper one, so you are going to pass out from the O levels. But share the link of this video with your junior students, and that will be very helpful for me and to your junior students. So thank you very much, everybody. It's a great blessing for me to be able to teach you online. So thank you very much and have a good day, and God bless you all.